Hello friends of Luban3D. I want to show you the fastest way I found to insert holes into balloon or tattoo created lithophane lamps, lights. Um, for example, I have created this little cloud with pictures in Luban3D as I saved the model. And all you need is the free version of chitubox. Chitubox is a slicer for resin printers. And there's a function to add holes into SDLs. I download today a chitubox version 1.8.1. It works with 1.7.12. Okay, all you need is to save the file in Luban3D, then open the file. So I want to add my hole on the bottom side of the cloud. So I turn it upside, front and upside down. So my PC is very old, 7-8 years. Okay. Why it turns like this? Okay. What happens? It's like a carousel. Okay, it's not important. Important is we see the bottom side. This is the function for digging holes. One click with the left mouse button. You can choose the shape of the hole. I want a circle. You can hexagon and square. Choose if you want. I want a circle. 20 millimeter in diameter is right for me. The depth is 50 millimeters. If you got problems, you can change the value. It's important for me to orientate it from screen where I put my hole. You have the possibility to choose model, but that's not what I want. I want from screen because I look at this surface and I want to add the hole here. Dig hole continuously. No, I only want to add one hole and then I press add hole and I get this little point and I can move where I want to have the hole and here choose this spot, press the left mouse button and there is my hole. In the balloon, I choose the balloon, click in the menu, save as selected model. This is the balloon cloud with the hole. Save this one. I close chitubox. Yes, I want to wait. Okay, I need to wait that the finished the saving process. Cancel. Show me. Okay. I think that's right. So yes, I want to quit. I open my slicer is simplified Friday. I drag and drop the new STL with the hole into my slicer. You see the hole in the bottom. I press to prepare the preview. And the fan of my PC is very loud in the background. But with a little patience, it works well. I hope so. There. This is the lower half of the cloud, and you see there's a hole you can put your light in. And that's all. chitubox, I put a link in the description box. Download, and then you can get holes in an easy way to your STL made with Luban3D, a very great program. Okay, that's all. Thank you and bye bye.